Autodesk builds software that helps people imagine, design, and make a better world. Autodesk offers best-in-class products to industry-leading firms, such as XS CAD, who provide a range of 3D design and pre-construction services for projects of every size. XS CAD uses game-changing software, such as Autodesk Revit and BIM 360, to transform the way they do business. Let's look at the many advantages of these tools. Design elements need not be created from scratch, and drawings can be modified easily with Autodesk Revit. With Revit, clients can eliminate manual calculations, choose from inbuilt options, automatically create elements and cascade changes precisely and quickly across elevations and floor plans. Revit also makes scheduling more efficient. Schedules for various architectural or MEP features across an entire project can be calculated easily. Revit automates all calculations, so clients can visualize requirements at a glance for more efficient procurement and project management. Revit offers features for enhanced search, recovery and discovery of project-critical information. Locating plans, elevations and sections is made easier because layouts are organized consistently and can be accessed via the project browser. These revolutionary tools also make it possible to handle complicated workflows. Revit enables work sharing seamlessly. Multiple stakeholders can work on a single task simultaneously and keep track of changes. BIM 360 enables remote teams to collaborate across locations. And cloud-based renders make faster reviews and approvals possible. The software is compatible with a range of tools. All this helps customers deliver projects on time and within budgets. No matter how complicated a project is, Autodesk Revit gets it done. Trust XS CAD and the best tools in the business from Autodesk to wow your customers.